We have baking soda. Yeah. There's a flask with a funnel. Some red food colouring. A pipette and a stirrer. This is vinegar. We've got some elastic bands. And okay. Squeeze. Wow, good job. Yeah, well done. Okay, okay. Good boy. Okay. Right, next one. You start. 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 Okay, good job. Right. Right, so you have to get this center in here. Maybe put that in there. That might help. Oh, good job. Come on. Let go of the powder. Oh, watch, okay. Oh, whoa, look. Wow. Magic. Oh. Whoa. Hello. Oh. Yeah. Okay, good job. Well done. Wait. Whoa, no. Wait. Okay. Put in the baking soda. In. No. Here. Not there. Gonna go. Okay, good job. Right, next. In here, okay? Here. Oh, yeah, good job. Oh, wow. Up. Here it goes. Okay, let go. Wow. Look. Ham. Good job. In here. Good job. Okay, thank you. Right, now this one. In here, Mona, please. Oh, more. Okay, next, come on, 12. More. Go. Boy, and again. More. Again. Good job. Okay. Mona. What happened? Whoa. Hi. Hello.